Hey everyone, my name is Scott with Volt Life Proof Grooming, and in this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to take your razor and keep it unclogged. Let's go. Yes, we're gonna be covering a subject that is a lifelong problem and has become more of a no because of the multi-blade razors. Now to jump straight into it, the main reason why our blades get clogged up is because of our hair length. And if you're going over about 3 to 5 days, yes, your beard, your neck, anywhere in between is gonna be too long for that multi-blade to cut, even the single blade. Now let me give you an example. In each razor, all right, it doesn't matter if it's a multi-blade or a single blade, we have the back end of the razor which collects all of the hair. And this is a direction, so as we are shaving over the hair, it has a way to exit out of the razor. Same with the multi-blade, as you're shaving down, it's going through the back to exit out of the razor. And that's the design itself, is as a razor, it's going to take your hair and it's gonna exit out the path that it needs to go. Now, what if we could alleviate that? What if we could fix it? What if we could solve the problem where our razor doesn't get clogged up as much? And yes, I was able to go down in the scurries of the web how to actually figure out this problem, how we can fix it, and how we can move forward so we don't have clogged up razors. So let's get all lathered up. 1, 2, 3, perfect. All right, so we're all lathered up, ready to go. Now here's the trick, okay? As we're coming down on the shave, we reverse. So we're never really taking the blade off the skin itself. We'll go on the other direction. And if you can see, there's actually really not much being clogged up. And what's happening is when we are rolling over the skin and we are backing up, the actual hair that's getting exited out of the back is actually coming up through the top, and in such, you won't have your razor clogged up. I am truly surprised at this phenomenon that I found out. So we got a clean shave, nick myself just a little bit, that happens. But all in all, if we look at the back, all I have been doing is as I shave, I roll up and I come back down, I'm just giving the blade a little bit of a rinse for just a little bit more lubrication. But once again, all I'm doing is I'm riding up and I'm coming down, riding up and I'm coming down, and I'm never letting the razor off of my skin. And once again, that's giving a track for that hair to actually exit out in a proper way, or even in coming into the front, to give ourselves some more room for that hair, because the last thing we don't like is that cloggage into that multi-blade or the straight razor. So one big thing I've noticed when that clog happens in between our razors is that that hair actually interferes with the blade cutting itself and interrupts the nice clean shave that we all desire, and causes the problem. So we can fix this. So I hope this helped you guys out. The biggest thing that we want in life is to always improve our daily routines, and hopefully in this one too, it cleans up the problem, not only on the neck, but on the blade itself. With that, you guys, make sure to like and subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Have a good one.